difference in kind of cost of living? Pick a spot in the United States compared to Belize. Any comments on that?
Well, it all depends.
Mhm.
So food here, I think, is very cheap.
Okay.
As compared to the States. States, yeah, it's just a lot. The rent here is a lot cheaper,
Okay.
especially if it's in the rural areas. You can get, or outside of Belize district itself, any other district, you can put up bigger houses. The land sizes are bigger. You can get an acre of land with a lot more space to develop. So I think the cost of living here is a lot cheaper. There are a lot of other benefits. So, people just, it's more relaxed for me,
Okay.
right?
All right. Good points.
The relaxing part is key.
Yeah, that difference is certainly there's a lot of variables. It depends on where you're coming from and where you're located or where you're moving to in Belize. For the most part, I would think that cost of living. You mentioned food. That food tends to be less expensive here. Absolutely, certainly domestically produced food. We are pretty self-sufficient down here as far as food is concerned. Chicken, beef, pork, vegetables, fruits, rice, seafood. We live in there. We've seen organic. Yeah, that's a very good point if we're talking about food. A lot of the food that is produced in Belize doesn't have the hormones, doesn't have all the additives that locally produced. So people are looking for that. You can find that here very easily in Belize. Organic fruits and vegetables and generated food products. Tell me another thing.
Gas is different.
Gasoline.
Gasoline prices are high.
Gasoline prices are higher than North
Right.
America. Absolutely. That's true. So it really depends on what we're talking about.
Right.
But I would say for the most part, certainly foodstuffs, domestically produced foodstuffs, cheaper. Imported goods, imported products, not so cheap. More expensive. Rent tends to be certainly lower than North America. And, I'll tell you, I'm originally from Buffalo, New York. I don't know what I do know that wintertime, it can get cold up there. Gas consumption, natural gas, to heat one's house, not necessary in Belize. We have a pretty temperate environment all year long.